Gosh, it's been a while since I spoke into the camera like this. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It was definitely time to give you some hair. So today I want to take you guys through some of my lazy curly hairstyles. I call them lazy curly hairstyles because they require minimal effort, and I usually do them when I'm in a rush, I have little time, and switching up my routine and trying something new. So let's begin. By the way, before we start this video, I'm trying to deal with what I have here. This is not a great representation of my hair. I'm just going to disclaim that. This is not the best my hair has looked in terms of definition, in terms of looking moisturized and bouncy. Although a stranger or someone looking at me for the first time would think, okay, your hair looks fine. But to me, I know it can look better. But we're going to work with what we have, okay? Sometimes your hair doesn't want to cooperate on the days that you need it to, which is so annoying, but I'm actually happy with how it looks like. Are we ready? Let's begin. So the first hairstyle is a low ponytail. I usually love to do this hairstyle with two little bits at the front. I'll call them two front bits, but usually they would definitely be way more defined than they are looking now. They're a bit frizzy now. But then I will take my scrunchie and then just create a low ponytail. With this hairstyle, I like to keep it low. So as you can see, it's not a high ponytail, it's not a mid ponytail, it's a low ponytail. I feel this makes it look more relaxed. It's also minimal effort and it's so quick and easy to do. Like, this literally takes me about 5 seconds, as you can see. My hair is already done, by the way. All of these hairstyles will be shown on already done hair, meaning it's already styled, already brushed through and air dried. So yeah, this is one of my favorite, very quick and easy, relaxed hairstyles. So I've just taken that out now and I'm on to the next hairstyle, which is, what is this? Oh, okay, so now this is a high ponytail. Just a general, simple, basic high ponytail. I definitely could have dampened the front bit and slicked it back to make it more neater. So if you do want this approach, then you can definitely do that. So the next hairstyle is, I believe, a twisted high bun with a claw clip. I rarely do this hairstyle, but I actually realize it's so easy. But is it really that easy? The struggles of thick curly hair. Okay, it's not that easy, but I did really like it. I feel like I could have created this differently. I would usually use a hairband, but I actually did like this different variation of this hairstyle. But yeah. Next hairstyle is a 3/4 parting, meaning I'm parting it on the side of my head. I'm now just going to part the two sides of my hair. These two partings will come together to create a small ponytail at the back of my hair. And then now I'm just parting, oh, no I'm not. Okay, now I'm tying it. Oh, so it doesn't get in the way, yeah. Best believe this was a struggle, but we got there in the end. So now I'm just parting the other side, and these two bits will create a small ponytail at the back. So it's handy to tie the bit of the hair that you're not using so that it doesn't get mixed up or tangled up with the rest of the hair and you're not going to lose your parting. Now I'm just stamping the two sides so they can be nice and slicked and applying gel. Just taking my slick brush and slicking those sides down. If you want a nice, neat, sophisticated look, slicking your hair can be really nice, but that ain't even the title of this video. It's meant to be lazy curly hairstyle, so I think I just jumped this one in. This definitely is not a lazy curly hairstyle, and it definitely did not require minimal effort. That was my maximal effort, as you can tell. Now just releasing the bit that I tied up so we can mix it all together, and yeah. Oh, okay. No, it looks good. Yeah, it looks alright, I guess. I kind of like it, but you won't be seeing me doing this on a bloody lazy day. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!